Should women ice bath? Controversial topic, as I know ice bathing is of course a massive trend right now. What is a gym nowadays without an ice bath? But what does the science actually say about gender differences when it comes to cold water exposure? So what we know, women will get colder faster, as you can see on these graphs. In general, we know that our hormone system is a lot more complex and a lot more sensitive than men. Therefore, for women, it is way easier to trigger a stress response, and this is what we want to avoid. Plunging into an ice cold bath elicits a stress response. It activates the SNS, the sympathetic nervous system. This is your fight or flight mechanism. Elevated cortisol, especially chronically elevated cortisol, has the potential to absolutely fuck with your hormones and influence your menstrual cycle regularity as a whole. But basically what it means is, for the exact same benefits as men, at the same cold temperature, you don't need to stay in as long as your male friends, or for the same amount of time, choose a less cold temperature to plunge in. In general, we know that women do better on cool over cold. Also worth bearing in mind that in your luteal phase, your body temperature is naturally higher. So you'll feel the cold and the shock factor a lot faster and a lot harder in that phase. So if you've ever ice bathed and felt drained, exhausted, tired, like you're not getting the benefits from it, it's probably because you're staying in for too long or you're plunging too cold. There's a full video with a lot more science on my YouTube channel, but I hope this little reel was helpful.